Namaskar. Today we will know some facts about black fungus, which is nowadays very commonly heard, and most of the people must be very aware of it. I am making this video a bit delayed due to some busy schedules. So, but if still people were saying I should have a video on it, as many people wanted to know about black fungus. So basically we will know in this video what is black fungus, what are the symptoms when black fungus is infecting a person, and why it is more commonly seen in the patients who are suffering from COVID-19. So stay tuned in the video, and we will see and watch it. And obviously, if a little bit of knowledge can help somebody, then I will be glad. पहले तो मैं आपको इंट्रोडक्शन में एक चीज़ और बताना चाहूँगी कि ब्लैक फंगस जो है वो इम्यून कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड लोगों में होता है और डायबिटीज़ पेशेंट्स में पाया जाता है, लेकिन ये एक मिसनोमर है। ब्लैक फंगस जो है वो ये म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस का उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। ब्लैक फंगस एक ऑलरेडी, चूँकि थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा साइंटिफिक है तो सारे लोगों को नहीं समझ आएगा, इससे मैं इसको ज़्यादा यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन नहीं करूँगी, बट जस्ट एक छोटी सी नॉलेज के लिए बता रही हूँ कि ब्लैक फंगस जो है उसका म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस से लेना देना नहीं है। म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस जो है वो एक हेलाइन फंगस है, और जो ब्लैक फंगल ऑलरेडी देयर आर ब्लैक फंगल कैटेगरी जो है उसमें अलग अलग, जैसे टीनिया हैं और भी हैं फंगस, वो उस कैटेगरी में आते हैं। तो ये एक मिसनोमर है, और ऐसे अगर नॉमेनक्लेचर करेंगे जैसे कि येलो फंगस आ गया और ये तो कल को ब्लू ग्रीन ऐसे फंगस आ जाएंगे, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। इसको इसलिए माइट भी ब्लैक फंगस बोला गया क्योंकि मीडिया से बहुत हाइप्ड हो गया कि ब्लैक फंगस इन्फेक्शन हो रहा है। माइट बी बिकॉज ऑफ द रीज़न कि जब ब्लैक फंगल इन्फेक्शन होता है तो क्या होता है कि देयर विल बी क्लॉटिंग ऑफ द ब्लड, ऊजिंग आउट ऑफ द ब्लड, और वहाँ पे जब ऊज आउट होता है ब्लड और जहाँ इन्फेक्शन होता है वहाँ पे ब्लैकनिंग देखी जाती है। तो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्शन माइट भी उसको ब्लैक फंगल डिजीज़ कहने लग गए लोग, लेकिन इसका ब्लैक फंगस इज़ ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट कैटेगरी इन दी व्हेन वी गो टू द नॉमेनक्लेचर सिस्टम ऑफ द फंजाई। सो it should be very clear that this is not mucormycosis is nothing to do with the black fungal disease. तो एक इसके इंट्रोडक्शन में एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ ये मैं बताना चाहूँगी। और ब्लैक फंगस, वो सारे फंगस ब्लैक फंगस की कैटेगरी में आते हैं जो जिनके सेल वॉल में मिलानिन पाया जाता है, और इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ये क्लियर है और हेलाइन फंगस की कैटेगरी में आता है। So first of all, we will know what is black fungus. It is a fungal disease, and it is mainly affecting to the people whose immune system is being compromised. So it has nowadays it has been declared in so many states it is epidemic, and it is seen in the patients who are suffering from the COVID-19, and we know that in COVID-19 the immune system has is also gone down. So to boost up the immune system they have been given steroids, but as an aftermath it has been seen that it is giving rise to the fungal disease. So there are many changes when a person takes steroids, and because of those changes fungal infection is occurring very very commonly, and it is seen like as we all know, and if people are not knowing I wanted to tell them that fungal spores are everywhere. अभी मैं इस टेबल पे बैठी हूँ, देयर विल बी स्पोर्स एवरीवेयर इन द मैन्योर, देयर आर जो फार्मर्स काम करते हैं वहाँ पे, एंड देन इन द सॉइल डस्ट पार्टिकल्स। तो बिकॉज हमारा भी इम्यून सिस्टम स्ट्रांग होता है तो हम ऐसे बहुत सारे रोगों से लड़ते रहते हैं, तो हमें पता नहीं चलता। बट Nowadays since because of this disease and जो भी हमारी conditions हैं, हमारा immune system बहुत ही compromised state में है. So अभी जो ये स्पोर्स हैं ये हमें बहुत इजीली इफ़ेक्ट कर लेते हैं, और प्लस जो हम लोग मेडिसिन्स ले रहे होते हैं कोविड-19 में, इससे क्या होता है कि हमारे बॉडी में इंटरनली जो चेंजेस होते हैं वो बहुत ही फेवरेबल कंडीशन प्रोवाइड करता है इस फंगस को ग्रो करने में. दैट्स वाई पीपल आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम ब्लैक फंगस डिजीज़. और ब्लैक फंगस इसका नाम इसलिए है, ऑल्दो इसका इस म्यूकोरमाइकोसिस का ब्लैक दिखने से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, बिकॉज इट इज़ mainly causing the discoloration near the nostril area, near the mouth parts, and near the eyes. So that's why there is a discoloration, that's why it is called as black fungus. So it is possibly develop on the pores and the skin after like there is a burn or there is a scrape or different kinds of pore and skin trauma. So from there it get an entrance, and from there it is transmitted. So now we shall move to the symptoms of black fungus infection. So what does it do when it causes infection in a person? Basically when it enters into the through our pores, near our brows and near the these areas. So what happens is it spreads to the eyes, then it also goes to the lungs, and then even it can unfold to the mind also. So it causes, as I told earlier, it causes the blackening and discoloration over the nostril. So there is a blurred or imaginative we have vision. Then also there is a chest ache, and some people have even a lot of difficulties in respiratory system. And there is also it has been seen there is blood in the coughing of a person. So the next question which comes is, it's a very rare infection. So why it is nowadays very common and seen in the COVID-19 patients? So coming to this point, there are many factors which attribute to the patients who are easily getting this infection. As we know that there is a therapy which is given to the COVID-19 patients, is like they are given steroids to boost up their immune system as well. So what is happening, it causes a favorable alteration within the inner milieu of the host and the fungus, and it is very favorable for the fungus. What like it has been observed that what COVID-19 do in the patients, it usually disrupts the blood vessels, and also damages the airway mucosa of the person. So it is also very very helpful for the fungus, as it causes a rise in the serum of the blood. So it is also essential for the fungus to grow. Medicines like steroids improve blood sugar. It is also one of the very helpful thing for the fungus to thrive in that condition. And antibiotics are given, which are broad spectrum, so they not only solely wipe out the possible pathogen which needed to be wiped out, but it also wipe out the common cells which are helpful for fighting with the fungal infections. They are antifungal things also, common cells in our system. And also many antifungals they inhibit aspergillosis and all that, but mucor is stay unscathed, and because of this and lack of competitors, it is surviving and thriving very well. So that's why black fungal disease is very commonly seen nowadays, and in the COVID-19 patients. One more important factor has been observed nowadays, that because of the lengthy term airflow like patients, it reduces the immunity of that patient. So what happens, it is an speculation, it is not very like it is said that might be this can be a reason, that the fungus can be transmitted with the humidifier which is given together with the oxygen to the patients. So all these above makes an ideal recipe for mucormycosis, an infection which is nowadays very commonly seen. So I hope this video might be helpful and knowledgeable to everyone, and stay tuned guys, and please be safe, take utmost care and the precautions, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.